Good morning. Let's talk about whether you need to be nervous if it's determined that your claim needs to go the route of a lawsuit. Is that a big deal that needs to make you afraid? The answer to that question very simply is no, because once a claim ripens into a lawsuit, that's where the lawyers really go to work. That's where you are paying your lawyers to do the worrying and to take the hassles off of you. Filing a lawsuit, very simply, means that papers are going to be filed in court against the person who did you wrong, or against the company whose fault it is that you have suffered harms and losses. We will prepare the papers and get them filed with the appropriate court. We will also, when we do that, send questions called interrogatories for the bad guys to answer. We will also request documents, photographs, videos, any evidence that they have that pertain to your claim. Now, like the way that we are sending those requests for information to the other side, they will be sending that through their lawyers to our office. Someone from our office, under the supervision of the lawyer representing you, will call and help get the written questions answered with your assistance and to get the documents gathered from you that you have, which are responsive to what they are seeking. That's all done either over the phone, or we may have you come to the office to do that, to work with our paralegals and our lawyers in order to get that done. Usually that's not going to take more than an hour or two of your time at most. At some time during the process of the lawsuit, after the written questions have been exchanged and each side's evidence has been exchanged, the lawyers for the other side are going to want to take your deposition. That's where you'll sit down in a conference room, usually at our office, if that's nearby and convenient for everyone. You'll be asked questions by the other lawyers about your case and about your claim and about the harms and the losses that you have suffered. Not only will we be there through that entire process, prior to the time that your deposition starts, we will meet with you, prepare you, get you comfortable, explain the process to you so that it's not a scary, frightening, or unexpected ordeal for you. Depending on the lawyers involved, different ones of which have different styles, your deposition might take anywhere from an hour and a half to as much as 6 or 8 hours, but we'll be there with you every step of the way. According to the Administrative Office of Court Statistics, 98.1% of all cases end up settling or being disposed of other than by trial. So the odds are very good that your case will not end up going to trial. If you do go to trial in your case, however, know that your lawyers will prepare you before trial begins. They will prepare you once you get to the courthouse in terms of being sure that you're comfortable in your environment there, and prepare you for the experience itself. But again, assuming that your case does not go to trial, your hands-on involvement in the process is going to be pretty much limited to your deposition and helping us get the written questions answered. Other than that, please call anytime that you have questions about the status of your case, or there may be times that we call you for a detail or an update from how you're doing. But other than that, is it a big scary process? Something that you need to be frightened of? No, it's something that you should trust your lawyers to do. That's what we do for a living. That's why you hired us.